EMG is ubiquitous in prosthetics. While it is expensive and complex, it doesn't really measure user intent, as it can't separate the force, position, or speed of any muscle. Because of this, upper limb amputees can't instinctively control their hand gesture at an affordable price. CoApt is the leading EMG solution, but it isn't intuitive or affordable. While CoApt can do gestural control, all 17 electrodes must be placed one at a time by a clinician. Calibration is lengthy and repetitive. It is not reliable and can't do simultaneous position and speed control. This is because their AI can't do spatial mapping, and none of their sensors can measure biomechanics. Their high price point of $30,000 MSRP and experimental status make reimbursement very hard. The myoplexer is a non-EMG sensor array that measures muscle shape to determine intended finger position in real time. Here's how it works. Finger muscle bellies have unique spatial positions on the forearm where their activity can be measured individually with minimal crosstalk. The spatial map of high-density array signals can be used to determine these indicative spatial positions for every finger from a gesture calibration. This is known as spatial pattern recognition. Proximity sensors are an alternative to EMG electrodes that measure muscle belly size to determine muscle state, force, length, and velocity. These sensors are much less expensive, have superior signal quality and spatial resolution, and can be made waterproof as they are not in electrical contact with the patient. The myoplexer is a high-density array of up to 60 proximity sensors that wraps around the forearm. The myoplexer can even visualize pressure points and hotspots to help with socket fit. The estimated price for a myoplexer in a gel liner is $7,250. We hope this $23,000 decrease in price compared to CoApt's will improve patient health outcomes.